Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in travel essentials. Today, we're diving into the Ceptics Brazil Power Plug Adapter Travel Set, touted as the ultimate companion for your trips to Peru, Chile, and Brazil. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. What makes this adapter stand out is its ability to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, boasting 2 USA sockets alongside USB and USB-C ports. Perfect for powering up your smartphones, tablets, and even laptops on the go. Now, let's take a closer look at its design and features that make it a top choice for travelers seeking convenience and reliability in one compact package. The Ceptics Brazil Power Plug Adapter is designed with travel in mind. It's compact, measuring just 1.93 by 1.6 by 2.18 inches, making it easy to slip into your carry-on without taking up much space. Its built-in voltage indicator is a game-changer, automatically detecting the voltage of the socket to prevent mishaps when charging your devices abroad. This adapter is not just about size, it's also about safety. Engineered in the USA, it's equipped with safeguards to protect your electronics from unexpected power fluctuations, ensuring a worry-free charging experience wherever your travels take you. In terms of performance, the Ceptics Brazil Power Plug Adapter delivers on its promises. With a total output of 3.1A between USB and USB-C ports, it supports fast charging for a variety of devices, from smartphones to power-hungry tablets. For those concerned about compatibility, rest assured, it's designed for dual-voltage electronics, meaning it won't work with 110 volts items like hairdryers, but it's perfect for modern gadgets that support both 110 volts and 220 volts. Wrapping up, the Ceptics Brazil Power Plug Adapter Travel Set earns its place as a top contender for travelers needing a reliable power solution in Brazil, Peru, or Chile. Its compact size, robust features, and focus on safety make it a standout choice. That concludes our review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more travel gear reviews. Until next time, safe travels.